Hello dear students, again welcome back to Motion in a Straight Line lecture number 5. As in the previous class, we were discussing about the speed, uniform speed and variable speed. Now we will see the two types of speed that we are calling average speed and instantaneous speed. Let us see about variable speed. Instantaneous, average speed first of all we will see. Average speed. Average speed. Right? When the average speed concept will arise, when an body moving with the different speed, I mean variable speed, the concept of average speed will arise. Here, what is the average speed? Average speed means the total distance travelled by the body to total time taken. What is that? The ratio of total distance travelled by the body to total time taken. That we are calling average speed. Let us see the definition. What is the definition here? The ratio total distance ratio of total distance travelled by the body total distance travelled by the body to total time taken. Total time taken is called as average speed. Is called as average speed. Is called as average speed. Simply, what is the formula average speed? P average is nothing but total distance travelled by the body divided by total time taken. Total time taken. Right? Simply what this is? The ratio of total distance travelled divided by total time taken. For an example, consider a person moves from home to market. See here. Let us take the person. The person goes from this point to this point, A to B point. Right? Here, what are the distance? Distance is 2 meter in 1 second. Distance is 4 meter in how much? 2 seconds. Distance is 10 meter in how much? 3 seconds. Distance may be how much? 20 meter in 4 seconds. Right? Or here, distance is how much? Distance may be 30 meter in how much? 5 seconds. Right? What are these? These are the distance. 2 meter, 4 meter, 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter. Time is how much? 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second. What is the average speed? Average speed is the total distance travelled by the body to total time taken. Shall I calculate the average speed? How to calculate? Average speed equal to total distance from A to B. What is the total distance? It is 0. This is 30. What is total distance? 30. What is total time? 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second. How much? 5 second. Right? Then how much this is? 6 meter per second. This is the average speed. Simply, what is the average speed? Average speed is the total distance travelled divided by total time taken. Generally, how to represent this formula? Total distance is equal to the legs divided by dt or ds divided by dt. ds divided by dt, total distance divided by total time taken, that we are calling average speed. But students, we need to calculate average speed for different cases. Average speed for different cases. Let us see one by one cases, the different cases of average speed. The first case is the body covers different distance with a different speed. Body covers different distance with a different speed. Shall I take the special cases of average speed? That we will see. Special cases of average speed. That concept we will see. Shall we go? Special cases. Special cases of average speed. Of average speed. Right? Can you go here? Right. One case will be first case. The first case is the body covers different distance with a different speed. Body covers a different distance with a different speed. First case is what? A body covers different distance. Different distance with different speed. With different speed. Right? Shall I take the situation? How a body covers a different distance with the different speed? Shall we take? See here, this is the body, this body travels like this along straight line. At any interval, I will take the distance s1. What about the speed v1? Right? Here at this point, distance is s2. What about the speed v2? What this case? The body covers different distance with a different speed. How to calculate average speed here? We know that. What we know average speed formula? What is the average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Total distance divided by total time. Shall I take? General formula. Total distance whole divided by total time. Right? Later on. Here what is the total distance? S1 plus S2 is the total distance. S1 plus S2 is the total distance. Shall I take here? Average speed equal to total distance. Total distance is S1 plus S2. Total time. What is total time? Total time is T1 plus T2. If time is not given, I need to calculate the time. Right? We know speed formula. What is speed? For this speed v1 equal to distance divided by time t1. Distance divided by time t1. What is t1? T1 equal to how much? T1 equal to S1 divided by V1. S1 divided by V1. See here again what is the speed? V2. Here V2. Distance S2 divided by how much? T2. What is T2 again here? T2 equal to S2 divided by V2. Shall I take this equation number 1? Right? You got the time T1 and T2. Just put T1 and T2 in equation number 1. Now, speed and the distance by time antini. Speed and the distance by time antini. Illa time kotte la time ane calculate. Set around. Then shall I take here? In this equation what it becomes? Shall I go here? See here. average speed. What I will take? Average speed innovation is average speed. Total distance. Total distance is S1 plus S2. What is total time? Total time T1 replaced by S1 divided by V1. Again S2 divided by V2. This is what? Average speed for different distance with a different speed. Different distance with a different speed. But in this case, if distance are equal, in this case, the distance are equal, then how to modify this formula? Distance are equal mean, shall I take? This is the speed of the body travels in straight line. Here distance how much? S1. Right. Here also distance how much? S1. Right. I mean here speed is V1. Speed is V1. S1 mean body covers equal distance on both sides. Here S1, here also S1, same distance but the different speed. In this case, same distance but the different speed. Equal distance mean S1 equal to S2 is equal to S. What about this value here then? See here, when body covers equal distance mean S1 can be replaced by S, again S2 can be replaced by S, right? S1 can be replaced by S, V1 again S2 can be replaced by S, like this, right? What we got average speed then? V average 2S, here S is common, S into bracket how much? 1 divided by V1 plus how much? 1 divided by V2, S get cancelled. What we got the average speed then? Average speed equal to 2 into V1 into V2 divided by how much? V1 plus V2. This is the average speed. This one they are calling average speed. Shall I write this formula once again? This average speed equal to what? V average equal to 2 into V1 into V2 divided by how much? V1 plus V2. What is case? When body covers equal distance but a different speed. Body covers equal distance but a different speed. The formula is V average is equal to 2 into V1 into V2 divided by V1 plus V2. What this is? The first case. Consent to the body covers different distance with a different speed. The formula is like this. But the body covers equal distance with a different speed. The body covers equal distance with a different speed. The formula is V average is equal to 2 into V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. This is first case. Consent to what? Consent to the average speed of the body. Now second case we will see. Second case is like this. The body covers a different speed with a different time interval. Body covers a different speed with a different time interval. That case we will see. See here. Shall I see? Third special case is the body covers different speed with a different time interval. The body covers different speed with different time interval. Different time interval. How to take this? Different time interval. Shall we go? Consider a body move like this, right? In straight line path. Here, what I will take? I will take the speed is nothing but V1, time interval T1. Here how much? Speed is V2, time interval how much? T2. Right or wrong? Here speed how much? V3, time interval how much? T3. Are you following this? What is meaning of this meaning, you know? The body covers a different speed with a different time interval. different time interval. Again, let us solve this. We know average speed. What is average speed formula? Total distance whole divided by total time taken. Right? Total distance divided by total time. Here, what is the total distance? Distance is not given. First, let us write that. V average I will take. V average. Right? V average means total distance S1 plus S2 plus S3. What is total time? T1 plus T2 plus how much? T3. V average. Right or wrong? Students, here what is given? Time is given, speed is given, distance not given. I need to calculate the distance here. Illen kottandri speed kottanu, time kottanu, distance anu kottilla. Ee case olaga ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನಮಗೆ? ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ. ನಾವೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ? ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ? ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Shall I go for the distance calculation? We know that here speed, in this case speed, V1 equal to S1 divided by T1. S1 divided by T1. What is S1? S1 equal to how much? V1 into T1. Right? In this case, V2 equal to distance divided by T2. Right? What is S2? S2 is equal to how much? V2 into T2. Here how much? V3. Distance divided by how much? T3. S3 equal to V3 into how much? T3. Are you following this? Distance S1 is equal to V1 T1 here. Distance S2 is equal to V2 T2. Distance V3 is equal to S3 is equal to V3 into T3. See here. Just let us take this is equation number 1. In equation 1, just I want to put S1, S2 and S3. You will get the average speed here. What about the average speed? Average speed can be calculated. Average speed. Total distance how much? S1. S1 is equal to how much? V1 T1 plus how much? V2 T2 plus how much? VT T3. Whole divided by how much? T1 plus T2 plus how much? T3. What this is? Average speed for the body cover different speed in different time interval. Different speed with a different time interval. Speed ಬೇರೆ ಅದ, time interval ಬೇರೆ ಅದ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? But in this case, if speeds are different, time intervals are equal. Speeds are different, time intervals are equal. I mean like this situation. Shall I draw here? The same situation, shall I draw? Here speed how much? V1. Here speed how much? V2. Here speed how much? V3. But time interval here? Time interval T, time interval T, time interval T. Same time is available. I mean, the body covers different speed with equal intervals of time. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ time equal ಅದ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಇದು? See this formula? How it becomes? V average. V of average equal to V1 keep it up same. T1 can be replaced by T. V2 keep it up same. T2 can be replaced by T. V3 keep it up same. Again T. Whole divided by. See here. T1 can be replaced by T. T2 can be replaced by T. T3 can be replaced by T. Right or wrong? Here what is common? T is common. Then what it becomes? V average. V of average. V average. V1 plus V2 plus V3 into bracket how much? T whole divided by T plus T plus T, 3T. Like this, get cancelled T. What is V average then? V average equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 whole divided by 3. Right? If 4 speeds are there, V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4, then what about this formula? V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 divided by 4. If 5 speeds are the times are equal, V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus V5 divided by 5. If n speeds are there, n speeds are there, how to write? For n speed, V average, right? V average is equal to how much? V1 plus V2 up to Vn whole divided by n. General is that. For 3, V1 plus V2 plus V3 divided by 3. For 4, V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 divided by 4. For 5, divided by 5 like this. I mean, this is the what case? When the body covers a different speed in equal intervals of time. This is the general formula. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ನೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅದ, ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ನೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅದ, ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ few cases concerned to special cases of average speed. After this, one more speed is remaining, what are calling the instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed, that we'll see now only. See here, right? Now we'll see instantaneous speed. Regarding instantaneous speed, that we'll see. See here, instantaneous speed. What is the meaning of instantaneous speed here? When a body moving with average speed or variable speed, we are defining instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed, we know average speed first of all. What is the average speed? The ratio of total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Ratio of total distance by total time is nothing but average speed. Instantaneous speed means the speed of the body at any instant of time. Average speed means the speed of the body at any instant of time. The speed of the body. The speed of the body. The speed of the body at any instant of time. At any instant of time. The speed of the body at any instant of time is called as instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed, right? What is meaning of this instantaneous speed? Speed of the body at any instant of time. What is the meaning of any instant of time? Right, students? To understand this, so I will take an example. You can explain how the instant, at any instant of time you can take the instantaneous speed. Generally, the instantaneous speed can be represented limit of t tends to 0. Limit of t tends to 0, del x divided by del t. Del x divided by del t. Meaning of this mean limit t tends to 0 mean the time is tending to 0 but not equal to 0. This meaning is what? Time is tending to 0 but not equal to 0. Generally, the instantaneous speed can be represented by del x divided by del t. Del x divided by del t. Simply average speed, how to represent? Average speed can be represented. That is the total distance divided by total time. Total distance divided by total time. That we are calling average speed. But what is instantaneous speed? Instantaneous speed is nothing but the speed of the body at any instant of time when time is tending to 0. Then we are calling instantaneous time. Right? I will take an example simply. What is the difference between average speed and instantaneous speed? By taking an example only, we can confirm here how to take instantaneous speed and how to take the average speed here. See here. Students, consider a body, that body moving along straight line with a different speed. With a different speed you can take. Shall I take here? See here. How to take? Let us take. This is a person. The person moves from this point to this point. Right? Here how much distance available? 2 meter. For how much? 1 second time. 1 second time. Right? Here how much? 6 meter. How much it is? 2 meter. 2 seconds. Here 20 meter. How much? 4 seconds. Right, Aaron? In this case, what is average speed? Total distance divided by total time. Average speed. Average speed. Average speed. Total distance. What is the total distance here? 2 to 20. What is the total distance? Total distance is 20. What is total time? Total time is 4 seconds. Right? Then how much? 5 meter per second. This is average speed. But what is instantaneous speed here? Instantaneous means the speed of the body at any instant of time. In this time, how much speed is available? Or in this time, how much speed is available? In this time, how much speed is available? That we will see here. Shall we go directly? See here, how much? At this point, what is the instantaneous speed here? Instantaneous speed I will take. V equal to distance how much? 2 meter. Time is how much? 1 second. Here how much? 2 meter per second. Here 2 meter per second we are calling instantaneous speed. In this case, what is the instantaneous speed here? In this case, shall I see? In this case, what is the distance? 6 meter. Time is how much? 2. How much instantaneous speed you got? 3 meter per second. In this case, see here, 20 divided by 4. How much? That we are calling 5 meter per second. What you got from this? Instantaneous speed means the speed of the body at any instant of time. At a given time, what is the speed of the body? That we are calling instantaneous speed. Then from this, what you got? The average speed is different from instantaneous speed. Average speed is different from instantaneous speed. Then you can take for uniform speed, what is the value of average speed, what is the value of instantaneous speed? For uniform speed. For uniform speed, shall I take here? How this is? This body covers 2 meter in 1 second. This body covers 4 meter in 2 seconds. This body covers 6 meter in 3 meter. How much? 8 meter in how much? 4 seconds. What is total speed here? What is average speed? Average speed shall I take? Average speed, total distance by total time. What is the total distance? 8. What is total time? 4. How much? That is 2 meter per second. Then what is instantaneous speed? At any point you can take, at any point you can take. This point. How much distance? 2 divided by 1. That is 2 meter per second. Right? In this case, 4 divided by 2, again 2 meter per second. In this case, 8 divided by 4, 2 meter per second. Then what you got? Instantaneous speed is equal at every point for a uniform speed. I mean, for uniform speed, the average speed and instantaneous speeds both are same. When instantaneous speed is different, when the body covers with a different distance, then average speed is different from instantaneous speed. Right? Simply instantaneous speed means the speed of the body at any instant of time. Then students simply can get the difference between instantaneous speed and average speed by taking an example. Then only you can confirm what is the difference between instantaneous speed and average speed. That we will say. Let us take an example. I will take an example. See here, I will take an example how the difference between instantaneous speed and average speed can be adjusted. Shall we go directly? See here. I will take an example. What the difference between instantaneous speed and average speed? Let a particle moving along straight line. Let a particle moving along straight line. Example I will take. Let a particle moving along straight line. Along straight line. By an equation. By an equation. By an equation x is equal to 5t minus t square. X equal to 5t minus t square. 5t minus t square. Find average speed and instantaneous speed. Find average speed. Find average speed. Average and instantaneous speed. Average speed and instantaneous speed. Average speed and instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed at t equal to 2 second. T equal to 2 second. ಈ 2 second ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ನೀವು instantaneous speed ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Time is from 0 to 2 second you can take. 0 to 2 second. At t is equal to 2 second. Right? First shall I take the average speed here? See here. Average speed, what is the average speed formula? Right? Average speed means what? The total distance divided by total time. That we are calling average speed. Total distance divided by total time. See here. Total distance divided by total time. Right? The total distance, how to calculate from this equation? X is equal to 5 of t minus of t square. Right? T equal to how much? 2 seconds. T equal to 2 seconds. Shall we go directly here? How to do? X equal to, x divided by t, total distance by total time. X is equal to, see here, 5 into 2 minus of 2 square. Right? x is equal to 10 minus 4. How much you got? X is equal to 6 meter. X is equal to 6 meter, t is equal to 2 seconds. Then what is average speed here? X is equal to 6, t is equal to 2. What you got? Average speed. Average speed equal to 3 meter per second. Average speed equal to 3 meter per second. Then what is instantaneous speed here? I say instantaneous speed means dx by dt. Dx by dt. Shall I take? How to calculate instantaneous speed here? Speed of the body at what interval? Speed of the body at an interval of 2 seconds. You can say this instantaneous speed like this also, rate of change of distance. Rate of change of distance also part of instantaneous speed. Here what is the equation they have given? X is equal to how much? 5t minus of t square. Right or wrong? Shall I call? This is the equation number 1. How to calculate instantaneous speed here? Simply differentiate this equation with respect to time on both sides. Differentiate equation 1 with respective to time. Respective to time. Shall I take? How to calculate this? Dx divided by dt, this value. D by dt of 5t minus of d by dt of t square. You know differentiation standard formula. D by dx of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. Dx means change in distance, dt means change in time. Change in distance divided by change in time, that we are calling instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed I will take. Instantaneous speed. Right. Here 5 is constant taken outside. D by dx into u. 5 into dt by dt minus d by dx of x raised to n form. If d by dt is there, shall I write this? 2 into e raised to 2 minus 1. Right or wrong? Then what is instantaneous speed here? Instantaneous, dt cancel, 5 remaining minus, what is remaining? 2t remaining, 2t raised to 1 remaining. Are you following me? But t is equal to how much? I needed t is equal to 2 seconds. Yes, given. T is equal to 2 seconds. If t is equal to 2 seconds, what about this instantaneous value? V instantaneous equal to 5 into 2 into 2. Right? 5 minus 4, how much? Instantaneous is equal to 1 meter per second. Instantaneous is equal to 1 meter per second. Actually, what is the average speed? Average speed is equal to 3 meter per second. What is instantaneous? That is 1 meter per second. What we are calling? Rate of change of distance. This meaning we are calling, already well known in the bridge course. Rate of change of distance, that we are calling instantaneous speed. Simply, you can make the difference between how the instantaneous speed and how the average speed is available. Students, I will give few examples to calculate instantaneous speed. So do it as a homework. Just I will give a particle moving along straight line. Find the average speed and instantaneous speed. A particle moving along straight line. Just make the practice for this. Remaining numerical we will see in the next class. Right? Shall we see? A particle moving in a straight line is given by x is equal to 2t plus 4. 2t plus 4. Calculate. 2t plus calculate. 1. Average speed. Average and instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed at t equal to 3 seconds. T equal to 3 seconds. Are you following? One more example I will take. Let a particle moving along straight line. Let a particle moving along straight line. Let a particle moving along straight line. Let a particle moving along straight line, right, by x is equal to 3t square plus 2, right? Calculate average and instantaneous speed instantaneous speed at t equal to 2 seconds, right? Just make it practice in the home. How to calculate total distance by total time is nothing but average speed, and if we make the differentiation of this with respect to time, this you will get the instantaneous speed. So remaining concept we will see in the next class. Thank you.